Hi, my name is Anne Marie, and this is my project. So at the beginning of the semester, I had two major value conflicts that I wanted to focus on, and I thought by working on one, it would help me with the other. The value conflicts that I had were between my intrinsic values and my terminal values, and they were not matching up. I had been concerned with my physical health for some time. I have warning signs in my genes, my age, my overall health as a factor. I have an end goal of a long and healthy life. A healthy body will enable me to be more successful in all areas of life, especially as a wife and a mother. I wanted to have the energy that I need to be active with my kids, find healthy ways to take care of me, and gain good habits to improve my health as I age. But as we all are, I'm pretty busy. I'm a pretty busy gal. I've got a beautiful family. I've got a great job that I enjoy, some crazy pets that need my time, a word calling that requires a lot of attention, schoolwork, and more. And taking care of me physically usually comes last in the scope of things. I wanted to change that. The second conflict was getting along with my husband. We'd been having a hard time, so my goal aimed at hitting two birds with one stone. My original SMART goal was that I will gain the healthy habit of moving every day by week 14. My goal was to get 30 minutes of daily movement Monday through Saturday by at least 9 p.m. My plan included exercising with my husband, so we would be spending some positive time together as well. I created a map guide, like we all did, for each week. It included things like completing daily tasks in my task journal. The journal had things like drinking enough water, getting healthy fuel, like vegetables, my vitamins. Um, my map guide included things like taking my dog out for walks, picking activities that my girls would do with me, meeting with my support group each Friday. Some weeks had building muscle tone or doing an activity with someone outside of my family, getting out of my comfort zone. I was pretty excited. I had it all planned out and I couldn't wait to start getting better habits and learning. And to help with this, I chose to interview two incredible people. The first was my cousin. She has a great amount of dedication to a healthy lifestyle, both mentally and physically. And we have a lot of life similarities. In addition to being a mom and having a large calling and working, she's also had some similar marital struggles. So I was hoping that she would be able to give me some ideas. And I also interviewed my older brother. I admire him a great deal. He has two sweet girls, a word calling, works as a lawyer. He turned his health around several years ago and has stuck to it. He is very disciplined in this way. And I really wanted to get some of his insight as well. From these guys, I gained some great tips that helped me a lot. The first was to be patient with myself because habits take time to acquire and life doesn't always go according to plan. Finding a support group so you're not alone. Small changes at a time are a lot easier to keep than huge ones. Remembering the word of wisdom and that I have divine help in following it, and remembering my family motivators, like having more energy to do things that my girls would enjoy and improving my relationship with my husband. So, how did I do? Well, I found that my biggest motivator was my support group. My sisters and my mom and I, we all have Friday mornings off, so we get together each week to do things. And they joined me on my health journey, each with their own health goals. And each week we talked about things and tweaked things if needed. And that I found that to be very helpful. Biggest impact, I found that there was an added bonus of working on my time management skills. That was great. I improved my family relationships. We did some fun activities and it got me thinking of them more. Also improved my relationship with my extended family. And I gained some great habits. My task journal helped a lot with this. Drinking water, taking my vitamins, sticking to things, getting healthy fuel. I struggled the most to meet my goal plan exactly. I found that I had made it a little bit too strict. I didn't allow for the unexpected, which happens a lot in life. I also had a hard time convincing my husband to exercise. He works a lot and he was often tired after a really hard day. And so it was hard getting him to do things with me when I had wanted to do it. And it was hard to be flexible. I didn't always get to do the things that I wanted to, and because of that, things wouldn't always get done. But all in all, I gained some great new habits, and I'm on a healthier life journey. And I'm grateful for all successes, whether big or small, because it's all about improving and getting better each day. So thank you for viewing, and I wish you all the best of luck in your next goal.